Welcome to the Broadband Navigator Project Area Update Overview. This video aims to help local governments, nonprofits, tribal governments, and internet service providers navigate new mapping tools and project area comment submissions. The Broadband Navigator is a powerful tool which was designed for managing your state's BEAD challenge process. In this new adaptation, the Broadband Navigator can now be used to view BEAD eligible locations and to submit project area comments. Begin by opening your state's Broadband Navigator. Immediately upon opening the Navigator, you will see a splash screen with important information on your state's public-facing map. Please read the splash screen before continuing, as the information has changed and it will be helpful in your understanding. To exit the splash screen, select the X in the top right corner of the pop-up, or select Explore the Map at the bottom. If you would like to not see this screen again, select Do Not Show This Again before selecting Explore the Map. You will now be viewing the public-facing map with your state front and center. By now, you are probably familiar with the mapping tools, but the map may look different. You may have noticed the blue and orange coloration on the map. This is different than the previous red, green, and yellow coloration. These new colors symbolize BEAD funding eligibility. You can filter them by selecting here and choosing which you would like to see. To return to the original serviceability view, simply select the button up top and you will be returned to the original map. But for now, let's focus on the new eligibility view. The thematic map will show the percentage of eligible locations in each Arizona project area. Here on the map are the project areas, and here to the left is the legend to guide you. The data pane will also show the state name, number of CAIs, and total serviceable locations. The broadband and digital equity indicators graphs will automatically show for statewide data for eligibility, coverage, and speed. You can view the data all together in numeric form by simply selecting the Data button. To view the data for a specific project area, simply select the project area on the map. Once you select a project area, you will notice that the data on the left-hand side has changed. You will now see the associated data of the selected project area, the project area name, and the number of CAIs and BSLs in that project area. The broadband digital equity indicators will also update to show the data for the selected project area. To view the data for multiple project areas, hold the Shift key and select the project areas. You will see that the data will automatically aggregate both at the top and in the graphs. Select as many project areas as you wish to view. To unselect, simply click outside of the boundary of the state. The Broadband Navigator has also been updated to collect project area comments and information from eligible entities. To submit a project area comment, start by signing in. Select Sign In the top right-hand corner. If you have already created an account, enter your credentials here. If you are part of an eligible entity and have not yet created an account, select Request an Account here. Follow the steps to create an account and return to login once you have been verified. If you are not part of an eligible entity, you are not permitted to create an account. Once you are logged in, you will be directed back to the eligibility map. Choose the project area you would like to comment on. To select multiple project areas, hold down the Shift key and select the desired project areas. If you are interested in downloading data associated with your selection, you may do so by selecting Download Data. You will be given two options to download. The project area geometry option will download the physical boundaries of the selected area in a GeoJSON format. The Location IDs option will download the location IDs in the selected boundaries as a CSV file. Simply select the option you would like and the download will launch automatically. To submit a project area comment for the selected project area or areas, select Submit a Project Area Comment. A window will pop up to enter your comment. To enter a comment, start typing in the box provided. The comment must be under 1,500 characters long. You may also add attachments to support your project area comment, but they are not necessary. To submit an attachment, select the Choose Files button. Select the associated attachment or attachments. You may attach as many files as you wish in the allowed file types, which are listed here. Each file must be under 5 megabytes per file. Read over the disclaimers section and ensure that you are aware of the information provided. Press Submit to submit your project area comment. In addition to selecting the project areas to comment, you may also draw an area that you wish to comment on. To create a drawing, select the Draw tool at the top of the map. Start drawing on the map by clicking on the map. Double-click to close the polygon. Select Submit Project Area Comment at the bottom of the map. The Project Area Comment box will appear to submit your comments and attachments. This time, you will notice that there is already an attachment. This attachment is the drawing that you created. You may add more attachments before submitting, but do not remove this attachment. Enter your comment and attach any attachments you might have. Select Submit to submit the project area comment. After you have submitted your project area comments, you can view them in your project area comment dashboard. To access the dashboard, select the user icon in the top right-hand corner and select Challenge/Comment Dashboard. This dashboard is an extension to the dashboard you may have used in the BEAD challenge process. In the Project Area Comments tab, you can view all your comments and associated information: the comment ID, comment date, project area or areas in the comment, number of eligible BSLs in the comment area, number of eligible CAIs in the comment area, the commenter, commenter email, and commenter organization. For project area comments made on drawings, some of these fields may be empty. To view the text and attachments for the comment, select the comment and view the associated information in the side panel that appears. You may download the comments as a CSV by selecting Download Comments as CSV. The download will launch automatically. This concludes the presentation. Thank you for watching the Broadband Navigator Project Area Update Overview. Questions and concerns can be directed to your state's broadband office.